So I want to talk about kind of the management process after the value add has been completed, because as you know, a lot of these properties that are owned by individual owners and whatnot, they become your value add opportunity. And so how do you prevent your own properties from becoming distressed?
I think it's all about the management. Honestly, that's where people fall short, and just maintaining that presence on site, making sure we're doing inspections on each unit at least once a year, just to keep an eye on things, and then still continuing to make little cosmetic upgrades as the years go on, because it's that deferred maintenance that gets people in trouble, and the lack of management. Basically, the property we're working on now, that we're working on closing here before December, is one where the owners have owned it for 20 years, and they've just gotten distracted with other properties in, I think, the North Metro. And so it's just not convenient for them to get out there and manage it anymore. And that's the reason that it's an opportunity for us, is just because they haven't prioritized taking care of it, and they'd rather just let the rents stay low, hope people don't complain about all the issues, and then it becomes an opportunity for somebody else. But, all it takes is communication with the tenants, some consistent on-site presence, and you should be good. So
Yeah. So they've taken their eye off the ball there, huh?
Pretty much. Or in some cases, they never had it on in the first place.
Yep.
So,
well, a lot of people have other businesses that they're working, and real estate's just the side thing. And if nobody's assigned to pay attention to it, then
yeah. And I think like me on my first deal, I think a lot of people get into it expecting it to be passive, because it's marketed that way in a lot of books and a lot of programs out there. It's pitched as passive income, which it can be if you partner with someone who's built a business around it. Then it's passive, or if you're investing in triple net properties like a CVS or something, that's pretty passive. But it's pretty tough to pick up some apartments or even single family homes on the side and treat them in a passive manner and expect them to actually perform well. Someone's got to be running it like a business, whether it's you or a third-party manager, or you're partnering with somebody who's structured a business around it. Someone's got to have business systems in place for that asset to actually perform.
Want to hear more on this topic? Click the link below for the full episode of Maximizing Your Property Value.